This video tutorial will guide you on controlling the GPIO milk meter toggle the LED on and off. On the milk video board, there is an onboard LED connected to SPIC 4. The default GPIO modules are already included in the kernel, so there is no need to execute any logic and commands. You can use GPIO read-write commands in the console or write your own GPIO read-write programs in kernel or user space to control the GPIO as input and output operations. In this case, the GPIO group number, GPIO, is 416, so the GPIO number is 44 on E416 plus 24. After booting the milk redo and entering the command line, you can execute the following command. To implement LED blinking using a shell script, you can control the LED as on-off state in Bash, and now we will create a shell script to achieve time blinking of the LED based on the previous commands. Create a new .sh file and write the corresponding code. Once you have finished writing, save and exit the file, then run the script directly. Finally, if you want the LED to start blinking automatically after booting as a system status indicator, you can use V to add the following line to the MMT system auto.sh script file, .sh. You can now control the LED on and off by toggling the GPIO as high and low levels. Please follow me to know more.